It's going to be a shooting video on two TPX paintball pistols running Stark Pursuit Zeta mags. We're going to be shooting down here at this plywood. Brand new CO2 cartridge. Gas that one up. Both gassed up and we're ready to go. Okay. Reload the mags. Just flip them. Pull the switch. Release the balls. We're ready to go. Shaking. I have some more. I'm not sure how many more shots we're going to get out of it, but I have 2 more mags in my pocket. These are the True Feed 7-round mags from Tipman. And it's starting to die out. And that's all. There you have it, and thanks for watching.